Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a stop loss on Binance. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the trading interface for your desired cryptocurrency pair. You'll find the stop loss option within the order types available. This crucial tool helps protect your investments by automatically selling an asset if its price drops to a predetermined level, minimizing potential losses in a fluctuating market. It's a fundamental strategy for effective risk management. To place your stop loss order, first choose between a stop limit or stop market order. A stop limit order requires both a stop price and a limit price, ensuring your trade executes only within your specified range. A stop market order, however, triggers a market order once the stop price is hit, aiming for immediate execution. Carefully input your chosen prices and the amount of crypto you wish to protect. Then review all details before confirming your order. Understanding the difference between the stop price and the limit price is key. The stop price is the point at which your order becomes active. For a stop limit order, once the stop price is reached, a limit order is placed at your specified limit price. This means your trade will only execute at or better than that limit price. For a stop market order, hitting the stop price immediately triggers a market order, aiming for the best available price. After setting your stop loss, it's important to regularly monitor its status and adjust it as market conditions evolve. Volatility can change quickly, so staying informed helps you optimize your risk management strategy. Remember, a stop loss is a tool, not a guarantee, and should be part of a broader trading plan. For more great content and deals, including information on the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below this video. Your feedback helps us create more useful guides.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.